The Bitcoin price just failed us. But do we still have hope? Do we still have time ahead of the next 48 hours when we receive CPI data in the United States? Well, we're going to talk about all of that in this video, guys. We're going to take a look at the charts, take a look at Bitcoin's price. We're going to hear from Michael Van de Pope, one of my favorite analysts out there, and talk about some of the technical indicators right now to watch for when it comes to Bitcoin, because this is a crucial moment in time. October is usually a very bullish month for crypto, for Bitcoin. We know that. It's actually the greenest month of all months. However, we've got somewhat of a black swan event happening right now, given the goings-on in Israel with Hamas. By the way, prayers out to everybody affected by this tragedy. I think, obviously we talk about the markets, we talk about finance, we talk about Bitcoin and crypto every single day on the channel, but sometimes, there are some bigger things that we have to address, and this is certainly one of those times. So, prayers to everybody affected and everybody that is being pulled away from their families right now. Just brutal in terms of what's going on. So, with that being said, let's take a look at where we are. And we just failed to hold a price point. Now, there's still time, but let me take you inside so you know exactly what's going on. 27,412. Why is this relevant? Well, 27,500 is a crucial level that we need to hold in order to see a further upswing in the price of Bitcoin, guys. Right now, we've failed to maintain it. There's still time to recapture it here today. Stick around to the end of the video because Michael Van de Pope gives his predictions for Bitcoin, not only here in the short term, but his outlook for the entire fourth quarter of this year. Absolutely love what this guy brings to the table. He nails it a lot of the times, right? He's not right all the time, but he's right a lot of the times. So I listen to him quite a bit. Now, just if we take a look at the actual chart over on TradingView, we did get a momentum up signal utilizing our XT algo. We're still waiting to see how this is going to play out. Give it some time. By the way, if you guys want to know when the market's going up, when it's breaking down, and use this insight as a tool, this is my company, XT Algo, 30-day money-back guarantee. We're the cheapest indicator in the game, okay? And this thing works. I'm telling you guys, getting a ton of great feedback. Check it out. There's a big discount code right now, 20% off lifetime access to XT Algo. The link's down below in the description. Now, with that being said, Bitcoin, Ethereum, technical analysis, as BTC consolidates below 28,000 ahead of the key U.S. economic reports. What are they talking about? They're talking about consumer price index that we'll get on Thursday. Now, we're going to get PPI tomorrow on Wednesday. CPI, though, is a big one for the markets. And this month, we get our data from September coming out at 8:30 a.m. on Thursday. So this is going to be a very, very crucial time period to watch here. Again, Thursday, 8:30 a.m. So that's what they're referring to here. It says Bitcoin consolidated recent losses on Tuesday as focus shifts to Wednesday's FOMC minutes. Traders will look for guidance from the report to see the Fed's stance on the economy after opting to keep rates unchanged last month. This is a phenomenal opportunity for traders, guys. Whenever we have these economic reports, you can make moves when the market's going up and when it's going down. Again, XT Algo, my company, link down below in the description. Yes, I am shilling the hell out of my own company because it's unbelievable. This indicator works. I've had it built by one of the best in the game. I've been using it now for about 6-7 months. It's been out for 6-7 weeks for all of you out there to utilize. So shout out to everybody who's already using it, by the way. Now, I want to get inside this tweet from Michael Van de Pope, my man. Let's see what he's got. It says Bitcoin is still acting as the weakest asset right now across the board. NASDAQ is actually rallying up. Gold is strong. The dollar coming down alongside yields. He says this, preferably a sweep towards 27,100 and 27,300 would be a long entry here, okay? So, in other words, he says if you're looking for an entry to play a long game, whether it's a long trade or just a long-term hold, These are key levels to watch on the price of Bitcoin. He says losing area, invalidation of the uptrend, and targeting 26,300 is where we'll fall if we can't maintain these levels at 27.1 and 27.3. 27.5 was that first number. It failed us there. We'll see if it holds up at these 27.3, 27.1 levels. We're not far away from them here in the 1 day. We did dip down here to 27.3 and some change, bounce back up to 27.6 already today, and now we're back down here to 27.3 and some change, and we're bouncing back up. So very, very choppy right now on the Bitcoin chart. We'll take a look at the hour by hour, and you can see exactly what I'm talking about here. Let me go reset scale price. There we go. Very, very choppy. You could see a lot of volatility here. This was actually within 1 hour period. If we go into the 5 minute, you could see they're very volatile right now. We got the momentum up here in the 5 minute. That was a little short-term trading opportunity for you there on Bitcoin using XT Algo. But Michael Van de Poppe, one of the best in the business, that's what he's got for us. He says that he still thinks, though, that Q4 is up, that the fourth quarter will be a positive quarter for Bitcoin. So that is good from the macro standpoint here as we look at the rest of October into November and into December. So if you want more crypto content, you want more content on Bitcoin, let me know by smashing that like button. It's totally free to do. Subscribe down below. We're going to bring you a lot more when it comes to the macro, when it comes to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Of course, we cover altcoins here on the channel as well. We'll see you in the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.